Hello everybody, welcome to Geek Mastermind. If you like this video, please subscribe. Today we're gonna show you how to install Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10 on GPT disks from USB sticks. In this video, I'm not gonna show you how the difference between GPT and MBR. We may talk about this in a separate video, but today I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 10 from a USB stick on GPT partition schema. The easiest tool is to use Rufus. Rufus is a tool to make USB stick portable. We are gonna visit rufus.ie. We will find that tool. Below these are download links. First one is the setup file. Second one is portable file. We're gonna download portable file. The two files are the same, but portable is more efficient in time. Okay, I'm gonna save it. This is Rufus, a small tool but a perfect one, by the way. If you want to check for updates, then click yes. This is a tool. It's so easy to do it. You are gonna you insert your USB stick and wait for it to be read, and then you can choose disk or ISO image, because we are gonna select Windows 10 ISO for my PC. Then we click select. I'm gonna select Windows 10 installation ISO. This is the last version of Windows 10. The second step is the most important one. Leave it as standard Windows installation, but here if you wanna install on GPT, you should choose GPT partition schema, or you should choose MBR if you are installing your MBR disk. But today we are gonna show you how to install on GPT disk, so we choose GPT. Target system is Wi-Fi, because GPT is only accessible through Wi-Fi new, the alternative of the old BIOS. This is a label, you can change it if you want. This is file system, and it should be left FAT32 to make the USB portable on Wi-Fi systems, or to be installing. If by the way, if you want to use FAT32, but it can't be installed in NTFS partitions. And now we can proceed and click start. If the USB has files, you have to make a backup of it, because the USB will be formatted. Thank you for listening. If you find the video useful, please subscribe and share. Thank you very much.